Former second vice president of Nigerian Bar Association, NBA, Dr. Mande Ubani, has threatened to drag the federal government to court over alleged reappointment of the medical director of the Federal Medical Center, Abeokuta, Ogun State, Professor Adewale Musa Olomu, despite an indictment against him. Addressing a press conference in Lagos, Ubani stated that Professor Musa Olomu, who was appointed as MD of FMC Abeokuta in 2017, ought not to have had his appointment renewed since he was indicted over age falsification, gross misconduct, and abuse of office by the Board of Medical Center 2 months ago.
The findings of the committee were stated thus: the real age of medical director they found from all the schools where he attended and where he actually applied for work. They found that there were consistency in certain ages, certain records, until when he wanted to enter into his employment, then he now had to falsify his age. There is evidence of abuse of office also, which was followed, which did not follow due process. His abuse was because of the fact that he didn't follow due process. Now, in approving a training for his son overseas, who was just employed 4 months after. Now, this is also against the provisions of public service rules. And then finally, this issue of CT scan machine that was procured, which turned out to be a refurbished one and not a new one, but it was bought as a new one. So they now made a recommendation. The recommendation of the panel was that this particular information should be now forwarded to the relevant authorities for further necessary action, which includes determination of his age. And then they also said that there must be a proper audit that led to this procurement of the CT scan machine as new, even though it was a refurbished one. And then also from the evidence available to the board of the management through investigative committee, they found out that the age of the medical director was clearly tampered with.